Happy Sunday from Nacka in Stockholm, and I am out for yet another beach adventure in the beautiful Swedish nature on this 10th of November 2024. We have light rain that actually started to be more intensive right now, and I am visiting yet another spontaneous wild nudist beach spot here in the middle of the forest in the Nacka Nature Reserve. I am right now all alone here, and it is quite convenient here to enjoy a quick swim in the lake Källtorp on a day like this. And it is beach day number 199 on my Swedish beach adventures. I just can't believe that tomorrow is gonna be 200. I'm gonna celebrate 200 beach days in Sweden this year and equal the record from last year. So I'm so happy about it. We have only 5 degrees Celsius in the air right now, but no wind, which is good. It's actually 5 degrees than it feels like. With the wind it's gonna feel like minus if there is. You see the water is almost steady in the lake, and in the lake it is 7 degrees Celsius, so good, but it can be worse or better. So today I cycled 9 kilometers to get here, and a short walk through the forest close by to the public beach Norra Källtorpssjön, maybe 500 meters. Here is my dedicated Scott gravel bike, and there is even an island here on this side of the lake that I have swam to during the summer months on another cloudy day it was. So my feet are freezing as I'm standing here on wet rocks. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick dip today as well, but you can enjoy a bit more in this beautiful nature here in the Nacka Nature Reserve. It's so quiet, it's so clean, and I'm the only one here on this spot. It is not so easily accessible, this one. You need to hike around, as you have seen at the intro of the video. We can see the main part of Garden on the other side, and NUDE. That's also another nudist beach spot that I have been visiting a few times, but this one over here I'm visiting for the very first time. So yep, spontaneous nudist beach spot here. This forest of Källtorp has a lot of them along this side for sure. So there are some smudges on the camera, so hopefully it will get better when we get into the water. But the view anyway, even for me through my eyes, it's very dark indeed and grayish. So anyway, let's continue with a quick dip here to mark the beach adventure as completed for today. So as my feet have been already for a long time on the cold stone here, it's yeah, it's good. Let me clear out the camera with the water. There you go, much better. So here we have some, in the entrance, some rocks. I'm not really sure how much deep it gets here, but it will be for me for sure just a quick dip indeed. So 10th of November in Sweden looks like this. We have had some very much sun in the beginning of November, but now the real November weather kicks in, so this is how it looks like usually. So let's then take a quick dip here in the Källtorp Lake. Cold and refreshing at the same time. Yes, so quite a nice rocky formation here, and beautiful beach spot here on the Källtorpssjön. So thanks so much for watching this episode with me today, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.